The saying, once in a blue moon, is actually going to happen tonight. The rare astrological event will light up our sky for the first time since 2009. And as you can see, we have an early taste of it right now. To find out where to look and what to expect, we are joined by Perth Observatory's Matt Woods. Hi Matt, now what exactly is a blue supermoon?
Yeah, well, it's not going to be wearing a Superman costume or anything like that. Essentially, a supermoon is when you get the moon at its closest point to Earth. So when it reaches, it's about 10% of perigee. And so the moon's going to be about 557,000 kilometres away from Earth tonight. And that's the supermoon part. And it's also the second full moon of August. So that's where you get the blue moon from.
Why are they so rare?
We usually get about a couple of supermoons through each year, but it's probably the lineup of the blue moon as well. So that usually happens every 2.5 years, and then every 4 times a century you actually get 2 blue moons in 1 month as well. So it's just all the lineup of where this moon is and where the Earth is, and it just happens to be, it's these things are fairly rare. Like we had the super blue blood moon back in January 2018, when we also had a total lunar eclipse when this happened.
We just had a fabulous shot of it with a plane even moving across. Shame about the smoke haze, however. The skies were so clear prior to that. Where is the best place to catch a glimpse of the blue supermoon?
Well, the great thing about this is that it's free. All you have to do is go outside and have a look at the backyard or the front yard. But if you want to get some really good photos, obviously there's places like Old Perth Observatory in West Perth will give you the shots of the city. Plus there's Kings Park as always, and you're facing the hills as it's coming up. But there's also, if you want to hang around and get up early, you can take photos on the beaches or so at just before sunrise.
I was just going to ask about the time. Is there a particular time that we should head outside?
Oh, look, anywhere in the next hour or so where it's low on the horizon, it gives you that optical illusion that it appears bigger than it actually is. It's one of those things that when it's low on the horizon, you can actually, your eye is judging it based on the horizon. It's still the same size when it gets higher up. It's just, it appears, it's an optical illusion that appears bigger low on the horizon.
Should we expect an increase in weird and wacky things happening tonight?
Well, that is actually one of the interesting things that happens, that there's apparently more incidents during a full moon, but it will actually look about 15% brighter than a normal full moon, and it's about 7% bigger as a normal full moon as well. So in comparison to a micro moon, where it's at its furthest point, it's about 14% bigger and 30% brighter.
Well, it'll be all eyes on the sky tonight. You enjoy the spectacle, Matt. Thanks for being with us.
I will.